Hi, I'm Rob Decker, and today we are going to show you what a good protectant will do for your fiber. And this is really important. Scotch Guard and other fiber protectors really do their job, and I want to demonstrate to you now what happens when something gets spilled. So we're going to look at this right here. This rug is obviously dirty, but it is also unprotected. There's no fabric protection on this piece, okay? And now we have a piece right here that we have just cleaned this piece, and we have put a carpet or a fiber protector on this piece and allowed it to cure and dry. And we're going to see the difference, how it repels water-based stains and oil-based stains when you put a protector on the fiber. So first, let's see what happens on unprotected carpet. Now this is just regular old baby oil, and this is a towel that is nice and dripping wet. So we're going to go to this spot right here, and I'm going to squeeze some water on this fiber, and I want you to see what happens. Now immediately that water just soaks right into that fiber. You see that, how it just immediately just soaks right in, okay? Now we're going to try this with the oil as well. So there's very little water repellency here on this fiber. Now we're going to put the oil on, and you see it just absolutely soaks in immediately. It drinks in that fiber, or drinks in that water and the oil. Okay, now we're going to perform the same test on fabric that has been protected. So we're going to squeeze some water out here, and you see how that just stays right there on the surface. The reason is because we have fiber protector here, and it adds water repellency, it adds oil repellency, it also adds surface tension, and the surface tension is why that water is beating up and it's not going into the surface. Very important. So now I'm going to go ahead, just like if we have a coffee spill or anything else, I just take a dry towel and I just bring that right off the surface. It's like it never happened. Now we're going to do this with oil as well, and you'll be able to see that even oil sits right there on the surface for a few moments. And this is very, very important, because then you are able to just bring that right out on a cotton rag, and it does not stain the fiber. You know, it doesn't actually get into the fiber to be able to do its damage. So things like coffee and soda, those are water-based, and they will sit right on there. Now the kind of oil that comes in off your shoes, or cooking oil that spills if you have carpet or a rug in your kitchen, when you get a good fiber protectant, what that's going to do is give you a few minutes for you to get that off of the surface before it gets down into the fiber and creates a stain that a cleaner has to come get out. So that is the benefit of having a good fiber protector on the carpet after you clean it, also your upholstery and your rugs. My name's Rob Decker. Once again, I appreciate you watching, and we have fiber protector available here at Max Care. Give us a call. We'll clean, do a protectant. We give you this protection so that your carpet and upholstery stay cleaner longer.